is an animal. The colors were brown, white, or black. It likes to eat grass. It has 4 legs and it can run very fast. Horse has a scientific name called wishbowers or wishferisbowers. Is one member from 10 animals that is modern mammals from genus Equus. In Indonesia, most people use horse as a transportation. Horse has hairs on its long neck. It also has a long tail. Horse is also one of a prime animal. People keep horse because in some certain species, it can produce milk. Horse animal in the many culture of human is a symbol for a free, smart, and also for the strong.